This 5-unit waterfront apartment building designed by SAOTA and ARRCC is located on the Athens Riviera, Athens. Overlooking the Aegean Sea, the building consists of 4 apartments and a 2-story penthouse. The front facade design incorporates large glass, moving screens and hidden columns to reduce maritime light and maintain privacy. The interiors feature a minimalist aesthetic designed to accommodate both large and intimate social events, with a focus on open spaces that incorporate elements of an art gallery. Exterior. The exterior of the building features a play of horizontal and vertical forms with expansive glazing and moving screens, creating a harmonious relationship between privacy and views of the Aegean Sea. The rear is more solid, shielding from the surrounding neighbors. A circular terrace with a cantilevered pergola provides an outdoor dining area, while the swimming pool merges with the sandstone floor, adding to the natural feel. Glass railings ensure uninterrupted sea views, providing a sense of openness and freedom that integrates with the Mediterranean landscape. Interior. The interior of the penthouse focuses on a large volume that functions as both a living room and an art gallery, with motorized sliding doors blurring the boundaries between inside and out. A palette of natural materials such as wood, stone, and bronze accents are combined with white to create a calming atmosphere. The living, dining, and bedroom areas are arranged with flexibility, giving an intimate and social feel. Minimalist touches in the details, such as hidden cabinets and uninterrupted ceilings, add a sense of elegance to the overall space.